Hi guys! Today's video, magpabiyahe kami guys to Naga City. Okay, business trip, and with me is my upload! Hey! So nag-bus kami guys. First time ko mag-bus for the longest time. Ngayon lang ako magbabus ulit ng provincial trip. So sana hindi ako magsuka. At Jay, ano bang masasabi mo sa trip natin to? Trip na trip talaga na.
Exciting to, exciting.
Exciting kasi parehas kayo mag-commute. Masarap siguro matulog dito mamaya. Tingnan natin kung makakatulog ka pa talaga. Time check, it's 8:27 PM. So sabi ng conductor, mga around 10 hours na ulit dahil going to Naga. So nandito na kami sa Naga guys. We arrived at around 5:30 in the morning. So more than 10 hours travel kami. Unfortunately, hindi ako nakatulog. Nakapikit lang ako pero hindi ako nakatulog. Pero still, we're okay now. Antay lang namin yung sundo namin guys. Nasa Naga City na kami with Jay and Ronnie, our brand partners. So i-develop namin guys yung Bicol region. Part pa rin ng patching party natin, project of LifeWave Corporate. Papunta pa kami sa Sipukot, Camarines Sur. We'll be meeting a group of people again for our LifeWave business presentation. So still part of our patching activity. Again guys, sinishare lang namin po to kung ano po yung benefits yung naidudulot po ng product ni LifeWave. Kung meron po kayong suggestion din po or meron po kayong group of people na gusto nyo rin pong ma-experience din po nila yung among free patching. Of course, bigyan nyo kami ng slot for a business presentation para din ma-inform kayo kung ano ba meron si LifeWave and at the same time, what are those product po na pwede namin itry sa inyo. Dito kami ngayon sa aming second day dito sa Bicol region, sa Sipukot, Camarines Sur. Para sa another set of product or business presentation. So, samahan namin guys! Hi guys, so may inaantay lang po kami. Mga ilang tao pa po. Before po kami mag-start, order muna kami ng food. At nakalatag na po kami dito. Extra na. Nag-glutan tayo. Guys, paalis na kami dito sa Bicol at sana magkaroon kami ng follow-up schedule dito for a business presentation again and the follow-up na rin sa mga nakausap namin. So hopefully guys, lalaki na yung ating grupo dito sa Bicol region. So yun guys, nag-enjoy kami guys sa aming business trip dito sa Bicol. At again, to recap, from Manila, we went to Ligao, Albay, Naga, And then si Pukot, we have two groups separated discussion. So guys, we're hoping na si Ronnie, since na nag-active na siya dito sa ating upgrade his rank, mag-rank up siya guys to manager rank. So in advance, congratulations!
Yes! Name it!
And we're applying for a director rank. And yours truly to be, gusto mo chairman rank kaso wala silang chairman dito. So dapat, they have to create for a rank chairman. Ako yun! Maraming salamat ulit. So, to my Life Waiver Batangas group, see you again next week for another activity. Bye!